Guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with the last two items in this Temu haul. Super excited. So there are two things in here. So let's pull them out. First up, we have the Academy Watercolor Paper Pad. It is 10.2 by 7 inches. It is 100% cotton, acid-free. I'm sorry about the light. I don't want to open this because I've read that you shouldn't open them till you're ready to use them. It keeps them better from the sizing to go bad. And this was only $12.80 Canadian. This is medium textured paper. I have to start using cotton paper more because everyone tells me I should, and I don't. I almost always just use like cheap sketchbooks that I find online or at Michael's. So yeah, when World Watercolor Month is over, I'm probably gonna, well, when I get home from camp in the fall, I'll probably start using all the cotton ones because I'll still be using a sketchbook at camp. But yeah, so that is one thing for $12.80, and it's a really nice size. Here's my water bottle for comparison. So it's a really good size. It should say the size right on here, yeah. 10.2 by 7. And $12.80 Canadian, just in case I forgot to say it. I also got this. And let's take a look and see what we have. And it is a little red case that is adorable. Okay, so I am back and things look a little bit differently because I'm using my desk now. But while I was recording my Temu unboxing for this Academy watercolor pad and for this cute little makeup box, my camera died. So I'm not sure where it died, so I thought I would just start over. Or maybe I'll edit it together, I'm not sure yet. But anyway, this is just a really cute little makeup box. It's meant to be for eyeshadow, but I am going to use this to put gouache in and let it dry so that I'll have a little portable gouache pen. I think it's super cute. These come out and it's magnetic on the inside. So if you have any other small pans, you can buy like the half ones that are half that size if you wanted. You could put that in there too, but I like these bigger sizes. I think they'd be great for gouache. And I just have a little gouache brush right here. So you can see, you could fit a nice size brush in there. And it would also work really nicely with the water brushes, which is probably what I would use for this. And what I hope to do is maybe cover this with some white enamel, or maybe just take a piece of white paper and then just, I don't know, cover it over it with packing tape and use that to mix on. Or maybe I can find something white at the dollar store that I could cut out and put here that is waterproof. So I'll see what I could do. I could just paint right on here and it would be fine on the mirror. But I would prefer a white surface for mixing colors. But it would be fine. So I'm going to give this a try. And I thought this would be really nice for a portable watercolor palette. Now there are palettes that are similar to this that people spend a lot of money on. They're called the portable palette actually, and they're super expensive. So that is out of my budget, but I always thought they looked really cute, and they reminded me of something, and I couldn't remember, like, what is it they reminded me of, but I was on Temu, and every time you order stuff on Temu, they say, oh, would you like to get this too? Would you like to get this too? And this came up, and I thought, yeah, I would like to get this too. That's perfect. So, just give me a second. And I'll tell you what I paid for it. So this was only $5.64 Canadian. It's called the Matte Red Magnetic Makeup Organizer Portable Palette. So it is called the portable palette. It has 12 cells. And you can get them with different numbers of cells. You can get them with the 18 smaller ones. So if this works well, I might go back and buy the one with the 18 cells. And they're smaller. They're like half the size. And it also comes with one that has 9 bigger cells. So like there's 3 per row. And there's 3 across. Now, I don't know if that one is just a smaller case with this size or not. So I'm not sure about that one. So I thought I would get the middle one with the 12 cells just to try it out. And if it works well, I will go back and try the 19 cavity for, or the 18 cavity for watercolor. So I'll let you know how I like this. And this watercolor paper, it's 100% cotton. And it was $12.80, just because I don't know how much of the first half of the video worked, because my battery completely ran dry. I didn't realize it was that low when I started recording. But anyway, that was the end of my Temu unboxings, and I'm really happy with everything I got, except for one thing that was really funny. You'll have to see it in another video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Hit that like button and the subscribe, the notification bell, all of those things that help as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting, happy shopping, and happy painting. Bye, guys.